Hey everybody, it's Amy with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I am Amy. I just wanted to do a short intro, sorry about my voice, and add a video so you can see who is behind Amy's Creative Acrylics. Sorry, my hair is a hot mess. I am going to attach this to a video that I'm doing today. So the intro may be a little bit longer, well, for this and then my normal spew video. I do want to thank Manon Petit Art. Hopefully I said that right. I'm sorry if I did it, Manon. She has given me a lot of advice. I'm not really comfortable showing my face. I'm in the last few years I've had health issues and I've gained a lot of weight, and so I'm not real comfortable with the way I look, so that's why I haven't been putting a face to my videos. But speaking with her, she's given me some advice and I do appreciate it, so I thought, suck it up, buttercup. Show your face, let everybody know who is behind the voice on Amy's Creative Acrylics. So that would be me. Hello. So her and I are going to be doing a collab here in the near future. When we get the details out for that, or get those details down pack, I'll give you more information on that. I'm also going to be doing a collab with Amy's Acrylic Artistry. It will be on Saturday, April 3rd. We're calling it Amy's Acrylic Artistry and Creative Acrylics. Because we both have the name Amy, but our art, I don't know what you want to call it, our art names, our YouTube channels have similar names but a little bit different. And yeah, she's pretty awesome. I will put her information in the description below, so do check her out because she's amazing, as well as Manon Petit Art. I will put her information in the description as well, so please check her out as well. And yeah, so this piece that I'm doing today is a piece that I was going to give to my coworker of mine. She wanted a piece, and I sorry, I'm trying to make sure the glare from the windows aren't in my glasses. She wanted a piece with greens and blues, and she wanted a lot of cells, so I did the open cut pour. I did do 2 paintings, and then I decided which one of the 2 that I wanted to give to her. She doesn't want to see it in advance. She wants to be surprised, so that's why this one is not the one that I chose to give to her. Although, speaking into the video, I do mention her because that's who I was intentionally making the video for. But like I said, I made 2, so this one is the one that I'm not sending to her. Yeah, other than that, as I've said before, I'm an artist from Nebraska, from the Midwest. This is my little art room. It's very small. The walls are pretty funky. I still need to paint in here. I've been redoing my house. I moved back in July of 2020, and the lady I rented to for 10 years literally like destroyed my house. So I'm doing one room at a time. In the art room, I figured can be put on hold because I'm definitely not doing anything to the floors because I'm a klutz, and one of the cats spilled paint on the floor, so that's why I don't want my cats in here. Oops, sorry about that. So yeah, the carpet on the floor, I'm sure when you've noticed when I do show pink or Khaleesi, the floor is a hot mess, and it's gonna stay a hot mess. So I'm not going to redo the floors in here. I do have plastic under the table, but I don't like to have that pulled out when I do videos because you can hear all this walking around, and then the dogs on top of that walk on it, because for sure Pink is always in here most of the time, and so they're always walking on it, and it makes a lot of noise in the videos, so I don't put that down, but or spread it open. Yeah, but anyway, keep this short. I'm Amy. And I do appreciate everybody watching my videos. Please check out Manon Petit Art and Amy's Acrylic Artistry. They're amazing artists. So yeah, so let's get to the video. And I do thank everybody for watching. Nice to finally be brave enough to put my face on here. And yeah, but keep being creative. We'll get to the video now. Thank you. Hey, everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a pour, and I'm going to do an open cut pour on a 23 by 23 inch Artist Loft canvas. For my base here I have Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Black, and then all Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White. I'm doing a split base. A lot of air bubbles in here because I just mixed the paints up. So I'm gonna have to be doing some torching. The colors that I'm going to be using are Decoart's Metallic Emerald, Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold, Liquitex Basics, cue that Q word, Cued Acridone, Magenta. I know I said it wrong too. And Creative Inspirations Emerald Green. And also Decoart's Metallic Deep Sapphire. I'm going to be using, I just cut a pop bottle and I have it leveled out at the bottom here. I'm obviously not going to use it this full, but for now it's good. Do a little bit of tilting here a little bit to kind of open themselves up some. This is amazing though. I love that. I'm so glad I kept this stayed. And look at those big ones over there. Oh my goodness. Lots of pretty lacing too. Sorry, I gotta get some paper towels here. My hands are a mess. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna torch it some more here. Just make sure we get all those. One thing here I want to do. I'm gonna take off some of this here because it had a little bit of black smear in there. I want this. I would rather have this be all white. I love it. I'm trying to think if I want to do anything else to it. Like, I'm not sure I do because I love the way it is. I don't know. I ordered me some magnets and stuff, so I'm pretty excited because there's some pretty amazing runoffs over here. They're gonna make some beautiful, beautiful magnets. Oh, let's see, where's that straw? What did I do with it? Put it back. Oh, here it is. I'm just gonna blow this way a little bit, maybe just with my mouth. Just gonna put a little bit of white here. I'm pretty excited. I really like how it turned out. It's got some amazing cells. Got that magenta underneath there. Woo, so pretty. Like, part of me wants the blonde, but then part of me is just liking it the way it is. Just gonna kind of look. Oh yeah, I'm not messing with it. When I bring it down, I'll show you from the side view there. It's beautiful. Just beautiful. And those runoffs are amazing. Look at them over here. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna bring you down. Look at that. 1 second, let me turn these lights off. Look at that, look at that. Those are gonna be so pretty. But just look at those cells and that lacing. Look at a big old one right there. And these are so cool. Look at that. Even with that white down there, gosh, those are gonna be some pretty magnets. Yeah. Cut my other lights off here. And I'll bring you around. Miss Pink's in here. She's doing good. Been a week since she lost her baby. I think she's doing good now. She seems to be not in any more pain. She still has staples in, so I know those got to be coming out here. Look at that. Oh, look at that. I love it. See this view? But I really like it that way. But I'm sure it could literally go any direction, but those are going to be some pretty cool magnets down there. And then look at this big old one. Oh, it's so pretty with that magenta down there. I wish there would have been more magenta. You can see a little bit there, but not too much. But look at all that shimmer. That sapphire. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video and you like it. I think it turned out pretty good. This one is a gift for one of my coworkers. She's an amazing girl. She's helped me so much at work. Yeah. Long story short, I used to be on quite a bit of medication. Like, and pain doctors just literally, like, every time I went in, they just upped the medicine, upped the medicine, upped the medicine. And yeah, so anyway, she helped me out a lot when I finally got taken off the medicines to where I could actually focus and learn. And she was so much help for me. And I know I bugged her all the time. It's going to make me emotional. I'm sorry. But I know I bugged her all the time at work, but she was always so kind and helpful, and I just appreciate her so much. But so this is for you, Brandy. I hope you enjoy it. Sorry for me being a crybaby on this camera, but I do really appreciate all of her help, and I know that's like what she does there, but you know, look at that little green one there. She didn't have to help me as much as she did, but she always was so kind and very helpful, and I do so appreciate it. So this will be my gift. Hopefully she likes it. She said she wants lots of cells and then a split base. So hopefully she'll like it. And she liked green and blues. This is a lot of that blue didn't pop through, but it's beautiful. Still beautiful. She's gonna love all the cells, But anyway, thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed my video and you will like and subscribe, share. Yeah, and yeah, hopefully everybody's being healthy and safe. I just kind of lost what I was going to say. Hopefully everybody's being healthy and safe from COVID. I'm going to be doing a collab here pretty soon with another girl, which we're working on it. We did a spin to find out what we each have to do, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. We're doing it the weekend of Easter, the Saturday before Easter. But more information coming. It's gonna be what did I say? I'm trying to think what the name is gonna be. What did I tell her? Totally just lost my mind. Amy's Artistry and Creative Acrylics, because her name is Amy as well. And her channel is Amy's Artistry. I think Amy's Artistry or Amy's Artistry Art, something like that, but I will find out. I'll find out for sure. I should have wrote it down before I started, but yeah. But anyway, we're doing a collab together. I'm pretty excited about it. She's an amazing artist too. She's newer to the video world as I am, but I think she has a little bit. She's got more subscribers than I do, but that's okay. But she's really good. So I'm pretty excited when she asked me to do a collab together. So yeah. But more information, and that will come out. That's the Saturday before Easter and her birthday. So we got to give her a shout out for her birthday that day as well. But anyway, but thanks for watching, everybody. Yeah. Have a good evening. Have a good day. Have a good afternoon wherever you are. I don't know if that cut off before I said it. But keep being creative, everybody. Bye.